Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. Have you ever been in a situation where the only thing you can pay is payroll? Cash is tight. It seems there's no funds coming in very soon. Unfortunately, this is a situation that happens too often with many businesses and nonprofits. Cash flow is always a big concern for every organization. However, if we're tracking, i.e., categorizing, doing this process may help alleviate some of that stress. What I mean by categorizing, some of you may have heard of the word coding. That means categorizing your income and expenses. Why do you want to categorize your income and expenses? You want to know what is your profit. You need to know what income is coming in and what expenses are being paid out. Let me give a little bit more detail about categorization. So if you're using QuickBooks, Wave, or any other type of accounting software, you actually have to go in and put those transactions in an account. And what that means is if you sell a product or you perform a service, that deposit goes into revenue. If you pay payroll, if you pay utilities, those type of things, they go into the utilities accounts, they go into payroll. Very important to put those things in a category or an account. I call it sometimes like the bucket. Everything needs to be put in a bucket. Everything needs to be put in an account. This allows you to see those financial transactions in a very concise and easy way. So instead of you going through the whole general ledger trying to figure out what's my income and what's my expenses, if you actually perform categorization, you can actually run your financial statements. You can run a profit and loss statement. So this is why categorization is so important. It's one of the tasks that many businesses and nonprofits people do not like to do. They do not like to sit in front of a computer and just put things in a category. But if you're able to automate some of those things, that does help. So number one, you want to categorize because it will tell you what is coming in and what's going out. Most importantly, if you are making a profit, you're spending all this time working 40, 60, sometimes 80 hours a week. So you want to make sure you want to ask yourself, what I'm doing, is it making a profit? The second reason why you want to categorize is because you want to ensure you're able to take qualified deductions for your business. You want to make sure that you're able to get that tax benefit. The IRS requires that these transactions are put in a category. So if you look at your Schedule C or if you're S Corp, if you look at your schedules, you'll see that that schedule has income. It has the different expense accounts. So if you categorize throughout the year, you will have that detail when tax season comes around. There are so many businesses that miss out on qualified deductions because things are not coded correctly or not coded at all. So you want to make sure that you are implementing a process of categorization. So if you're struggling with categorization, sitting down, sitting in front of a computer, putting those things in an account, I suggest for the day, schedule 30 minutes a week, just 30 minutes a week, and categorize. As so you get more familiar with it, the faster it will become, and then you'll also learn how to automate some of these transactions. So once again, schedule 30 minutes a week to keep up with categorization. Hopefully you find this information helpful. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and we'll see you next time. Take care.